In this video, we're going to discuss how to use EndNote Web, an online citation management tool that makes it really easy to organize and use citations in projects and papers. So the first step you need to do is make your online EndNote account. The best place to start is the Maryville Library website, maryville.edu/library. We'll go ahead and scroll down until we get to those 4 boxes, and this time we're going to select Research Help. So we'll scroll down again until we see a section that says Citation Resources, and we're going to select the first one, EndNote. So from here, we need to get to the login page. If you're on a desktop, there should just be a button on the top right corner that says Online Login, but on an iPad, you're going to need to open up the menu on the right and then do EndNote Online Login. So I'm already signed in, but when you select EndNote Online Login, it should take you directly to this page. So if you do already have an account, you can log in on the left, but if you have not created an account yet, on the right under Not a Member, it'll say Register. When you click on that, it'll take you to this form to fill out and then select Register, and then that will be your online login account for your EndNote. So now that you have your account, you have to be able to export your citations from the Maryville Library databases to EndNote. So I already have a record pulled up from ERIC, the Education Online Database. And this is an article I would like to save the citation for. So the first thing you want to do is under the Tools box on the right, look for the button that says Export, and it's a piece of paper with an arrow. So when you click on that, there are a lot of options, but you want to make sure the one selected is Direct Export to EndNote Web. When you select Save, it'll bring you back to either that login page, or if you're already logged in, it'll just take you directly to EndNote. So now I can see that I have one imported result. So I'm going to go to My References at the top, and it'll take me to everything I have in EndNote. So in EndNote, you sort things into groups. So you want to look to, under My References on the left in the gray box, look for the Unfiled section. So these are the new ones that you haven't sorted into a group yet. So to sort, you want to make sure you click on the check box of the ones you would like to sort, and then add to a group. You can add to an existing group, or you can make a new group here. So I'm going to just add it to my student reading group. And I can actually look at my student reading group and see all the citations that I have. From here, I can move them around or delete, or I can go back and add in the citations again if I want to. But if you actually want to use these citations in a paper, what you'll want to do is go all the way back up to the top, and then you'll click on Format. So from here, you'll select your group of references you want to use. So I'm going to select Student Reading. And then this is where you select your citation style. So I'm going to do APA 6th. Here, you want to do the plain text file. And when you save, it'll open up a Word page that allows you to copy and paste this directly into whatever project you're doing. And then when you copy and paste it, it'll paste exactly how it needs to in a works cited page. If there's anything you'll need to edit, it's going to be the hanging indent line, because sometimes it doesn't do that automatically, but they should be in the correct order and the correct format for APA 6th. If you have any EndNote questions, please feel free to contact the library at reference